Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the graph of line L. We're asked which of the following is an equation of this line. So to find the equation of the line, we're going to take 2 points. So we have this point right here, which is -1, 0, and this point right here is 0, 1. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the slope. So we set this as point 1, then this is x1 and y1, this is point 2, so we have x2 and y2. Therefore, the slope, m, is the change in y over the change in x, which is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the second y minus the first y, and the second x minus the first x, which is going to give us the difference between them, and then we divide them. So y2 is 1 minus y1 is 0, over x2 is 0, minus x1 is -1. So we have 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus -1, we have a double negative, so it's 0 plus 1, which is 1. And then 1 divided by 1 is 1, so your slope is going to be 1. So in the equation of a line y equals mx plus b, we have y is equal to, the slope is 1, so we have 1x plus b, which we just write as x plus b. And then we find the y-intercept is b, which is this point right here. It's where the line intersects with the x-axis, which is actually this point. We chose it as one of our points to find the slope. It's 0, 1, so the y-intercept is 1. Y equals x plus 1. Which of the following is an equation of line L? Y equals x plus 1, y equals x plus 1. D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.